10 biggest brain-damaging habits you should stop right now. Have you ever noticed that the only organ in our body that thinks is often the one less thought about? Everyone around is worried about their health, the way they look, the food they eat, etc. But are you paying attention to the most vital organ who controls your body? Keeping your brain fit and healthy is just as important as keeping your heart or other organs healthy. Brain is the most vital organ in our body, and when it gets damaged, it can affect you severely, including your thoughts, memory, sensation, etc. Scientists suggest that a few changes in your lifestyle can enhance your knowledge, imagination, power, and mental resilience. Here are 10 biggest brain-damaging habits you should stop right now for you to have a better functioning brain and by extension the body. 1. Working your brain during illness. By stressing the brain during illness, I lead to decrease effectiveness of the brain and damage the brain. 2. Talking rarely. By engaging in intellectual discussions promote efficiency of the brain. Therefore, the active member in meetings and events. It pays to always talk more than required to keep the brain alive. 3. High sugar consumption. Excessive intake of sugar interrupts the absorption of proteins and nutrients, causing malnutrition. It does not deliver enough nutrients to the brain. It deters its development. Belly-busting sweets harms the memory and thinking ability. 4. Sleep deprivations. Long-time sleep deprivation can lead to daytime drowsiness, depression, and impaired memory. The part of the brain that suffers for lack of sleep is the hippocampus. Several types of research revealed that the brain purifies itself of toxins during deep sleep. Lack of sleep can cause the death of brain cells, which can lead to impaired memory and reduced abilities. 5. Listening to loud music with earphones or headphones. By listening to music with earphones or headphones with high volume might damage hearing abilities, which could be permanent. This can result to brain problems such as loss of memory and damage to your brain tissue soon. By applying excess pressure on the brain will surely damage it. 6. No breakfast and insufficient water consumption. Many people skip breakfast because of work schedule and to save time. By doing this, not having breakfast can damage the brain. By not having regular breakfast results in low blood glucose levels that could affect brain's functioning abilities. About 80% of the brain is water. The brain needs plenty of water to think faster and focus better. So, drinking plenty of water will benefit your body and brain to function better. 7. Overeating. This is eating more than what the body requires. It also damages your brain beyond your imagination by hardening the brain arteries, hence damaging the mental abilities. It increases a person's chances of developing memory loss or mild cognitive impairment (MCI) in the future. 8. Head covering while sleeping. By covering your head while sleeping, this increases the carbon dioxide concentration and decreases the oxygen in the covering. This may lead to brain damage. The oxygen is very essential for proper functioning of the brain, and not having enough of it can harm the brain cells. Therefore, clear away from any pathetic polluted air. 9. Lack of stimulating thoughts. Thinking deeply is one of the best ways to train the brain. The more you think, write, and explore thinking abilities will help to keep your brain fresh. When the brain lacks this stimulation, it may cause brain shrinkage. 10. Smoking. We are all aware that smoking causes cancer, but do you know that the addictive nicotine in the cigarettes also shrinks your brain? In fact, brain shrinkage for a prolonged period can lead to Alzheimer's disease. The brain is the most vital organ of the body, and if damaged it will affect the thoughts, patterns, speech, memory, sensation, etc. Having a healthy brain is as important as the heart, lungs, or any other organs of the body. So, adhering to take the steps concerning these brain-damaging habits through changes in our lifestyle increases our knowledge, power of imagination, and mental stability.